rice and peas. So I have the peas washed, and I have it in some water. I'm just gonna put that to boil for like a couple of hours. Until the peas is soft. Put it that way. So here we go. So we're just gonna put that on for a couple of hours, or until the peas is soft, and then we're gonna add our rice, our coconut milk, or salt, or butter, and then we'll cook that down. Peas is soft to how I want it, so now I'm just gonna add coconut milk. Not too much. Okay. And then I'm gonna add some butter. Oh. Butter. And I already added some salt, so you add some salt. Not too much salt either, just enough. And then we let that boil for a little bit before we put our rice in. So now I'm gonna add my rice. Now it's not a difficult dish to make. The longest part of it is the peas cooking, but that's about it. You only use a few ingredients. And if my audio is bad, I do apologize. So that's my almost finished rice and peas. So we're gonna let that boil, let the water kind of get out a little bit, and then we cover it and just let it cook itself. And there you go. So here we have our two beautiful salmon that I'll be making, a salmon fillet. I'm gonna be doing a garlic butter salmon. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be seasoning for now. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. That is my finished seasoned salmon. And now I had the oil on the stove heating. I'm just gonna put those in to fry for a little bit because I want it crispy. And then we're gonna do our garlic butter sauce. Just add some butter to melt for my garlic butter salmon. So when it's melted, I'm just gonna add my garlic and let that cook for a little, and then I put my salmon in. So now I'm just gonna add my garlic. So now we're gonna add our salmon. One, two. Simmer for a little bit, and I add a touch of white wine to it, just for flavor. So now we're just gonna season to taste. Or season to how you like it. A little, well, a whole pepper, just for a little bit of spice, because we do like a little bit of spice. So that's to your taste. So this is our finished product dinner for today. So we have some salmon with rice and peas and a little bit of lemon lime and pepper.